That home screen on your LG TV wasn't set up for you. Most of what you're looking at is paid placement, brands and streaming services paying to be the first thing you see every time you turn it on. There are 3 settings inside your TV that removes most of it, and it takes about 30 seconds. First, start with home promotion. Go into Settings, open General, then Home Settings, find Home Promotion, and turn it off. But that's not the only thing running in the background. Second, there's a system called Live Plus. Most people scroll right past it without knowing what it does. It tracks what you watch, so it can target you with more precise recommendations and ads. Go back into General, System, and then Additional Settings. Open Live Plus, and switch it off. And the last one is Content Recommendations. They look like suggestions. They're not always for you. Disable them. Go to General, then System. Additional Settings, Home Settings, and turn off Content Recommendation. After all 3 changes, the screen shifts. What's left is a clean layout built around the apps you actually chose to install, not whatever deal LG signed that quarter. Some elements will still be there, but the majority of what felt intrusive, gone. Cleaner screen, better control. Your LG TV, finally yours again. Subscribe, like, and comment for more tech videos.